What's going on, everybody? My name is Harris, and today I have to say a lot of things, but I just cannot because I'm sick. And the problem is, I don't even know why I am sick. So, tomorrow I will get some of my blood tests just to make sure that I'm 100% okay. Otherwise, let's get into this unboxing. And this is OnePlus 60's unboxing exclusively. Not exclusively, actually, it is been on every channel since last month. So let's get right into it. This is the OnePlus 60's box, and I've imported it from China. And this is really simple. This is the phone itself. Let's put it aside though. And this is some cards and paperwork. And this is its data cable. This is its dash charge adapter. However, this phone does not comes with any kind of headset or hands-free. Still, you can easily buy OnePlus wireless bullets, which are as amazing as they have told that they are, I guess, 1/3 the price of the Apple AirPods, but they work just as good. You can easily connect and disconnect them with OnePlus phones, and the sound quality is too damn good as advertised by OnePlus. However, I still haven't tried them yet. Yes, it is a very pretty basic kind of unboxing that you will see on every channel. However, this is my first time trying the in-display fingerprint on this guy. And the setup was pretty basic, as I have seen a lot of reviews on YouTube about this phone, and everybody said that it is not as accurate as a physical fingerprint should be. However, after OnePlus have given their latest 9.0.6 Oxygen OS update, it is far accurate than before. Setup was really quick and pretty basic, just like your other fingerprints on previous OnePlus models. And after trying it for the first time ever in my life, I experienced it just the way I want it to be forever. It is not as slow as I think it would be, and it is not as fast as a physical fingerprint that we all were habitual of using before. However, it is pretty good and it can be trusted. Also, I have tried the face unlock on this guy, and if it would be that secure, I would definitely use it as my primary thing. However, face unlock is so fast that sometimes when I was just placing my thumb on the screen, it immediately unlocked my phone just like this. Also, it did work at night in completely darkness area as well. So these are the things that a lot of people missed in their reviews, and I just wanted to tell you guys about these. This is my review for OnePlus 60, and I'm signing out.